Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Ben Armstrong, ex BitBoy, was arrested during a live stream. I never seen something like this. You could totally follow the whole situation as the police arrives and arrest him. And let's talk about this because it's definitely something at least happening now in crypto. Not good for him, of course, but Bitcoin is just going sideways. Well, by the way, crypto exchange Binance actually reopens exchange services in Belgium, so this is great news for Binance users. And when we're talking about exchanges, then Coinbase successfully registers with Spain's central banks. So more opportunities for crypto exchanges and for crypto users in these countries. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I bring you this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Short videos, longer videos, so I keep you up to date. The only thing you have to do if you would like to get these news on time, then simply subscribe. Subscribe the button, that's what you have to do, and then you will get the notifications as soon as the new video is out. Okay, and now let's start today's episode. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. So let's do it. Okay, and when we're looking at the market, let me zoom in a little bit. Not too much is happening. Still, Bitcoin 0.6% up, that's nothing. Ethereum less than 1% up. Ethereum with that 1,590. Then Bitcoin 26,275 US dollar. Top gainer Maker 5% up, Fracshare 4.5%, GMX 3.5%, top loser Render 3% down, Quant 2.6 down, Immutable 2.5 down. And when we're looking at the candlestick chart, look, we are still, hovering around this 26,300-ish mark. When we're looking at the Bitcoin daily chart, yesterday we actually were above it, so did close above it or on it, kinda, as you can see this wick. And today we went a little bit up, and now we back to this line exactly. So, well, not too much is happening. By the way, at least some drama is going on. Well, in these boring times, we have to talk about something else. And this is all about the BitBoy, crypto Ben Armstrong, who was actually arrested on LiveStream. So it was an interesting situation yesterday because BitBoy announced it, or Ben, put it to Ben because he said BitBoy is dead. But anyway, so the most of them, you know him with the name BitBoy. So he announced that he will broadcast from a very special location. And then actually he appeared, started his live stream, and it was in front of Carlos Diaz's house, who used to be his, former business partner. And Ben started to, say a couple of things about Carlos and some other people. He also said that Carlos has his Lamborghini, maybe somewhere in the house, and also said that Carlos Diaz wanted to kill him, and also alleging his links with the Houston Mafia and all these kind of things. So, a couple of strong words. And about 19 minutes in the live stream, suddenly the police appeared. But to be honest with you, if you broadcasting live from someone's house, in front of the house, and saying bad things about him, you should expect that sooner or later the police will come, because probably they called the police. And he was then asked, then has he a gun on him? But he said no, but he has a gun in the car. And they asked that, is there another person in the car? He first refused. He just said yes, and then asked who is that, and he didn't answer. And then finally he admitted then, okay, that it's Casey. And he had this affair, actually with this woman. By the way, he said straight away that my wife knows about this, and we are now knows what we're doing here, and so on and so forth. So that's also kind of interesting. Anyway. And then, he said the police that, yeah, we are doing a live and we are live right now. And the police turned down his phone. And but you still could hear the conversation between Ben and the police for about 17 minutes. And then he switched off the live stream. And according to this here, as you can see, so he is in jail, but no kind of charges, and so probably he'll be out soon, or maybe it's already out. This is the latest what we know, but it was quite surrealistic, to be honest with you, that seeing him doing a live and then the police appears, and the interesting spices which are in a live stream that you don't know what's going to happening. And yeah, this is what happened. So basically here you can see actually the full video. It was a 37 minutes video. You can find this on Cointelegraph, the article, and then the link to the Twitter link. Okay, so we will see what's gonna happen. He is doing kind of strange things, using in a way the social media to get some attention. Most of his money is taken away from him because it was all company money, just like his Lamborghini and all these kind of things. So he tries, is trying to fighting back, but how successful he will be, well, we will see. Weird situation, to be honest with you. Okay, but great news for Binance users, as Binance is back in Belgium. So mostly when it comes to Binance and some news, I recently always have to say something bad because FUD is going on. Anyway, now some good news, because the exchange Binance reopens exchange services in Belgium. So as you probably know, in June, Binance was ordered to hold its service in Belgium with immediate effect, leading to the exchange redirecting Belgian users to its Binance Poland entity. But now the exchange has reopened registration and access to its products and services for its Belgian crypto users. And basically what they kind of have to do now, have to accept the new terms of use. This is what they're saying, and then everything is back on track. So yeah, this is good news. At least we're not just fading out from countries, but looks like there are some reopening, which is actually positive. But talking about exchanges, another big guy, Coinbase, has actually successfully registered with the Spanish central bank. So, another big guy, Coinbase, has successfully registered with the Spanish central bank. So, the registration compels the firm to comply with the country's anti-money laundering standards. That's actually very, very important. Therefore, now it was successful. As you know, here it says again, registration with the Bank of Spain is a mandatory step to offering crypto-related services, and registered firms have to comply with the country's anti-money laundering services standards. Anyway, so yeah, it was successful, and with this, Coinbase has joined the list of companies just like Crypto.com, BitStem, which they also have registered with the Spanish regulator. So yeah, we can see that actually things happening outside the United States. Coinbase, which is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange, started in the United States. It's really paying now attention to do things outside the United States and being, for example, successful now in Spain. So this is actually all good for crypto, why crypto grows, but Bitcoin is going now sideways. We had that in previous, bear market times. So this is nothing new about it. Sooner or later, this will change and we will not just go down, but when it's the turning point coming, then we go up, and there will be another bull market. just like always, but we have to be patient. We had other times when we have just watched Bitcoin about for 6 months going sideways. Yes, it did happen before as well, and therefore, in my opinion, this is totally normal. However, not too exciting. Not many people like it, but if you're looking at the bright side of it, then you can accumulate more. If you believe that Bitcoin could be great in the future, then this is a perfect time, because not everybody has cash just like put in to Bitcoin straight away, but on a weekly, monthly basis, as they get salary, they can do a DCA strategy. And for them, Bitcoin going sideways for a longer time is the best. So sometimes it's good, something is good for someone, for others it's not that. For the traders, that's kind of boring, but don't worry. Volatile times will come back for sure, and we will go up or maybe a bit down, but some moves will come. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, just simply subscribe the button all. Don't forget to hit the like button, because it also helps the video to grow, the channel grow, and this is a great feedback for me, so highly appreciated. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.